Assalamu alaikum. Today we are learning Urdu alphabets. We call Hurfe Tehji. In Urdu we call Hurfe Tehji. This is Urdu letter. Okay. This is second class today. I am asking this lesson today. Please read yourself. Okay. Alif for yes. Okay. Alif for anar, be for balla, pe for patang, be alif pe be alif pe be alif be pe. Okay. Te for tala, te for tomato, se for summer. Okay, summer meanings fruits. Te, repeat after me. Te, se, te, se. Te for tala, te for tomato, se for summer. Te has a 2 dots. Okay, se has a 3 dots. Te for se for. Okay, good. Read yourself and follow my pencil. Okay, you have to read this one also. Okay, I will read. Te for, tell me. Te for, se for. Okay, se, te, se, te, be, pe, alif, se, pe, te, be, te, se, alif, be, pe, te, se. Please read yourself this side. Okay. Te for, okay. Se for, alif for, be for, te for, pay for. Okay, good. You have to read 2 times. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.